Before the pyramids touched the sky, before prophets spoke the name of God, there was a rebellion. But not Lucifer's war. This rebellion was quieter, more tragic, and almost erased from history. 200 angels didn't fall because they hated heaven. They fell because they loved humanity. And Ethiopia never forgot their story. The Book of Enoch calls them the Watchers, angels assigned to observe, guide, and protect humanity. But watching became wanting, and wanting became rebellion. These beings descended to earth, not with swords, but with longing. They chose to cross a line no divine being was meant to cross. They took human wives. And in doing so, they shattered the oldest law of creation. According to Enoch, they descended at a real place, Mount Hermon. There, the Watchers swore an oath, not to God, but to each other. Led by an angel named Simjaza, they bound themselves together in sin, knowing that if one fell, all would fall. And from that forbidden union, something monstrous was born. The children of angels and humans were called the nephilim, giants, men of renown, but not heroes. They devoured the earth, food, animals, people, and their fathers made things worse. They taught humanity forbidden knowledge, weapons of war, sorcery and enchantments, astrology meant to control fate, seduction and manipulation. This wasn't enlightenment, it was acceleration before wisdom. Heaven eventually responded, not with mercy, but judgment. The Watchers were bound beneath the earth in darkness. The Nephilim were destroyed in the flood, but their spirits did not die. According to Ethiopian tradition, these disembodied spirits became demons, not fallen angels, but the orphaned children of divine rebellion, wandering, restless, still influencing the world. While Rome removed the Book of Enoch, Ethiopia preserved it. For nearly 2,000 years, Ethiopian monks chanted these words in Ge'ez, copying them by hand in mountain monasteries. When the Dead Sea Scrolls were discovered, they confirmed what Ethiopia always knew. This story was never myth, it was memory. And now we stand at another turning point. Artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, power without restraint. So the final question isn't about angels, it's about us. Will we repeat the rebellion or finally learn from it? Subscribe for part 2, because the Watchers may be bound, but their legacy is not.